Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a few packages. It's been a while, so we're gonna unbox them. Sounds pretty sweet, doesn't it?
Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Our first package, as you can see, is sweet. So we're gonna open up and just see how sweet it is. Got my box opening knife right here. Carefully cut into your box. You don't wanna cut anything that's inside there on accident, like I did before. Cookies! Sweet cookies! Oh, it looks like there's several different kinds of cookies. There's soft baked double chocolate cookies right here, as you can see, and this one is peanut butter. So far, I'm loving those flavors. I love my chocolate, I love my peanut butter. Snickerdoodle and chocolate chip soft baked cookies. And I have I have a double of each flavor. Let's look at these a little bit closer. Less than 1 gram of sugar. So I guess these are for people that want their sweets, but also want to be healthy. We have plant-based and vegan, so they are all vegan, most importantly. They're keto friendly, they're gluten-free, and they're obviously dairy-free. You can see the ingredients right there. If you want to pause it, you can pause it, and the nutrition facts are right there. A serving size is 3 cookies, and it also has MCT oil in it. So I'm not sure what that is, so we're gonna look that up right now. Okay, so first off, I'm on their webpage. So it says free shipping over $75. This is their shop. They have these 4 different flavors of the cookies. It's got a little bit about them, what their mission is. Looks like they wanted to make a healthier version of all sweets and treats and snacks that individuals love and crave on a daily basis, while still remaining delicious. Right now on the map, it looks like they are pretty much mostly in Canada. So if you're watching the channel from Canada, you're probably in luck. In most places in Canada, you'll be able to find these in a lot of different stores near you. It looks like in the United States, we have a couple places. We have Springfield, Pennsylvania, Massachusetts, and it looks like that's about it. Most of the other places are in Canada. Let's look at their FAQs. They are gluten-free, as I said. They're keto. They are vegan, 100% plant-based and vegan. The shelf life is 12 months. These are cookies manufactured by them right at their factory located in Saskatchewan, Canada. And they do not have to be refrigerated. So that's their FAQ page. Now let's go over to this MCT oil because I'm not familiar with the MCT oil. So I'm gonna go look it up. I've Googled it and I found WebMD, which is I think it's a pretty reliable source. So let's just see what they have to say about MCT oil. Is a supplement made from a type of fat called medium chain triglycerides. The MCT molecules are smaller than those in most of the fats you eat. The long chain triglycerides, which are the LCT, this makes them easier to digest. You can absorb MCT in your bloodstream quickly. This turns into energy you can use. Where does it come from? It usually is made from coconut or palm kernel oil. Both have MCT in them. You can buy 100% MCT oil or a mixture of MCT and LCT. The way people get MCT oil from coconut or palm oil is through a process called fractionation. This separates the MCT oil from the original oil and concentrates it. What is it used for? Usually people use MCT for help with problems taking in fat or nutrients, weight loss, appetite control, extra energy for exercise, or inflammation. More research is needed to discover if MCT oil can help with any of these conditions. Does it work? The short answer is we're not sure. You may store less fat and feel full longer if you replace LCT with MCT. If you aren't as hungry, you may eat less. You might take in fewer calories if you use MCT oil instead of coconut oil. While research is promising, there isn't enough data to show that MCT oil will lead to weight loss. The oil may help boost your strength if you're elderly and weak. There's also some evidence that MCT can raise the amount of energy used by your muscles, but other research shows that it might not do that much to help you get through your workout. Study continues. MCT can help your body make ketones, an energy source for your brain that doesn't have carbs. Some say drinking it will make your mind sharper, but if you don't have a cognitive disorder, you aren't likely to get a long-lasting brain boost just by adding it. A study on preterm infants shows that adding it to formula can reduce fungus called candida that can cause infection. And it may also help soothe and treat skin infections. The lauric acid in MCT works as an antimicrobial, breaking down bacteria and virus walls to destroy them. Okay, so now we know what they do. Let's find out how they taste. All right, let's open one of these little packs of cookies here. We have the soft chocolate chip baked cookies. All right, we got the chocolate chip ones. Okay, so first off, this is what they're, little minis right there. Little mini cookies. And they are soft. Can open it right up like that, break it right apart. Let's see how it tastes. I must say that's a good tasting cookie that's in a bag. Should we try each one of them and see which one we like the best? We can turn this into a taste test video. I can try each one of them and let you guys know which one I like the best. All right, let's go for the next one here. This one is the double chocolate. You know what? Double chocolate sounds like it might be my favorite, so I'm going to eat that one last. Let's try the peanut butter. Okay. There's the peanut butter cookie. All right. Yep, it's good. It tastes like peanut butter, like a peanut butter soft cookie. Snickerdoodle. I think I've attracted my dogs. Oh, I can smell that as soon as it comes out of the package. The Snickerdoodle right there. So far, and that one is good too. So far, I've had half of each of these little cookies, which means I've had half a serving size. So let's try the chocolate chip now. Here we go. Chocolate chip. I'm sorry, not chocolate chip. It's double chocolate. But let's try this one. I don't know which one's my favorite. I think if I had to choose one, it would be between the one I just tried, the double chocolate, or the peanut butter one. But these are great for like low sugar snacks. If you guys are looking for something like this, it's called Sweet Nutrition. And again, you know what? I'm just going to post their website below this video so you guys can go check them out if you're interested. Sweet Nutrition. So that's that. Thanks for the cookie, Sweet Nutrition. Now we move on to the next box. All right, well, we're going to open it up. Today I got a bunch of sweets because now we have Grayston world-changing brownies. Never tasted so good. You know what? I like that packaging too. Let's see what we got here. World-changing brownies. Let's find. Oh, it's they've been around since 1982. That was when I was a wee little boy. Let's get to work. Grayston.org. Okay. Let's see what we got inside. Grayston team. I hope you find these delicious vegan Grayston brownies and blondies. Ooh, blondies and brownies. It looks like we have the vegan fudge brownie, cinnamon roll blondie, and vegan birthday cake blondie. They're nice and soft. You know what? This was supposed to be just an unboxing video, not a taste test video, but I will go ahead. I'm not going to open all of these. I'm only going to open one. I'm going to go with the traditional fudge brownie, and I'll try one of these. There's the ingredients real quick. Let's go ahead and open that brownie up. Okay, there it is. That's the brownie. It smells so fudgy and brownie-y. Here we go. You already know what I'm going to say, right? That's a good brownie. That's a good brownie. Sometimes vegan brownies either come out too fudgy or too cakey. This is just right, just in the middle. It's really good. I want to eat the whole thing right now, but I haven't eaten lunch yet. So I'm going to save this, the rest of it, for after lunch. That's a good brownie, so I can only assume what the other blondies in here taste like, which I probably will be trying in the near future. Thank you, Grayston, for sending me blondies and brownies. They're made in Yonkers, New York. And next we have a letter to the vegan zombie. That's me. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Dear vegan zombie, I have a few vegan stickers that my girlfriend and I make. Please accept these as a gift, as a small measure of our appreciation. And the company is tickcut.com. Best regards, Dennis and Sarah. Let's see what we have here. We have 3 vegan stickers here. So there they are. Vegan is the future, vegan AF, and oop, that's upside down. Plant powered. All right, guys. Well, thank you. These are really cool stickers. I will make good use of them. And last but not least, I have a fragile package here. So it says, the tape on it says Timeless Terrors. Look at that. Timeless Terrors. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. Where did my knife go? Right here. Open this up. Oh my goodness. I feel like it's my birthday all over again. Look at that. You know what? I feel like this is probably the best wrapped present I've ever got. Oh my god, look at that. That's I almost don't want to open it. Look at that. I just put that back. Oh yeah, it's fragile, so I should probably not shake it or anything like that. What could be in here? Can anybody guess? Maybe a mogwai? Billy! Alright, so let's go ahead and undo the bow. Whoever wrapped this, you're a master wrapper. Okay, here we go. We're gonna mess up the wrapping now. Priority mail. It's a box within a box. That's what the tape on the outside like. Timeless Terrors. Look at that. Kind of matches the colors of my beanie, doesn't it? For your office, enjoy. Thank you. Timeless Terrors. 20% off. Use code RETURN20. It's beautiful. Oh, I should open it even more. Okay. Hold on 1 second. We're almost there. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's a candle. Night of the Living Dead. Perfect. And right here, I have the same poster hanging up right here. Perfect for the office. Look at that. I got the poster hanging up right next to me. I got the candle. Perfect. I think you all already know that I love this. Anything zombie related. Night of the Living Dead. This is perfect. It's my all-time favorite zombie movie by George Romero, my favorite director. So this is going to go right back somewhere over there on my shelf. So it really is the perfect office decoration. Thank you. I appreciate it. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. I ran out of things to open up and show you guys. If you like these videos, the good news is I have a whole series of me unboxing things. So I'll link it below. You can click it somewhere up here. I also want to give a shout out to my Twitch subscribers and my patrons. If you are in the $5 tier or above in Patreon, or you are a subscriber to me over on Twitch, I'm going to be having movie night. And that means that you'll have exclusive access to a specific chat room over on my Discord channel where we will do a movie night. I'll put on a movie, I'll stream the movie for everybody to watch. I'll chat about it, we'll talk about it, and we can vote on what movies we want to watch. In order to do that, you have to be either a $5 patron or a Twitch subscriber. And some of you might not know what Twitch is or not want anything to do with Twitch, but you can easily go over and support me. You can follow me for free, and it's $5 per month for the subscription. But if you have Amazon Prime, you can do one subscription for free every month. So if you don't watch Twitch, you can easily go over and support me there and be able to watch the movie night. And it doesn't cost you anything more than you buying your Amazon Prime account. So my Discord channel will be linked below, my Twitch channel as well, and also the Patreon. Other than that, stay safe, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys in the next video.